Hey, are you someone who is struggling hard to know the difference between S and SH or CH? I'm Rekha, English coach. Today let us learn the difference between the sounds of S, SH and CH. Last time when I was teaching in the class, I found a child finding it very difficult to distinguish between S and SH. So today, along with learning the tongue twisters, I thought it will be better to guide you people how to distinguish between these sounds. So let's see. All these three sounds are hissing and voiceless. But let us see the difference now. Yes makes the sound S. Assume that your tongue is like this, and if your teeth is like this, the tongue should touch the teeth like this, little bit like this, and make your mouth bit smaller and try to blow the air while your tongue is touching the lower jaws of the lower part of the teeth. Okay, say the tongue will just go up like this and then blow the air. On the other hand, if you have to say SH, which makes the sound sh. So here, if this is the tongue and this is the jaw, and tongue goes little bit inside like this, you squeeze it like this and then say sh, sh, sh. Whereas for cha, you hold it like this and open the mouth. For CH or TCH. Okay, now you know the difference between the three. So we shall practice one tongue twister. She sees cheese. Shall we do it faster? Yes. She sees cheese. 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 Isn't it easy? So now, see here, she has got SH, C has got S, and cheese has got CH. So all the three sounds together in this tongue twister. So it's very nice to practice this. It helps you to distinguish between the three sounds. So now let us see, one of my student is going to try, and it is his first time he has practiced. Let's see how he says it. Please welcome Ratish.
She sees cheese. 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 She sees cheese.
Okay, now we are stepping into the second tongue twister. I'm going to say it first and then you practice it. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. 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 Here, I wish to wash my Irish. In all this, you have SH. Wrist, here you have S along with T, and watch, you have CH. So all the three sounds once again. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Here I am giving you even the IPA. So practice it and then I'll give you the third tongue twister. Here is again my student Ratish. He is going to give you the tongue twister without any practice. So whatever he does, please appreciate it. Okay, Ratish, it's your turn.
Wash my Irish wristwatch. I wish to 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 wash my Irish wristwatch.
So today's third tongue twister is she sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells no more, but in this you have only two sounds, sh and yes. Sh and s. It's purely between these two sounds, sh and s. Sh is for sh, c and s is for s. So sh and s, sh and s. So once again I'll repeat it for you, okay, and with the IPA here, now you practice it. So now I'm going to repeat it as many times as possible. Next is your turn. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. If you want to extend it, she sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells no more. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells no more. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells no more. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells no more. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells no more. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells no more. Okay. So how was it? Did you practice it? Was it twisting your tongue or was it easy? I think it's easy. So practice it well. So by next week I'll come with more tongue twisters along with the sounds. So if it was nice and exercise for you, if you have learned, share it with others, let them learn and have fun. Okay, see you in the next video.